Today we begin at Durian Farms, where harvest starts the journey towards sustainable shell recycling systems.
Inspection complete on these trees. High durability confirmed. Team B, you are clear to proceed with the harvest in this zone.
Protective gear and coordinated teamwork allow efficient harvesting across large durian plantations every productive season worldwide.
Collection zones keep organic waste controlled, preparing shells for transport into specialized recycling factories later.
With harvest complete, durian shells are ready to leave farms, beginning their industrial recycling transformation journey. Harvested durians now leave plantations, beginning carefully managed transportation toward processing and shell recovery facilities. Edible durian flesh is removed, leaving behind shells that become the primary recycling resource. Shell bundling reduces transport volume, improving efficiency and lowering costs across the recycling network. Durian shells now transition from food waste into valuable industrial recycling materials. Loaded trucks reach the recycling facility, where durian shells officially enter industrial processing operations. Visual inspections remove contaminants, ensuring only clean durian shells continue through recycling lines. Central control systems coordinate durian shell intake, maintaining smooth and continuous factory operations.
Moisture levels are at 6.2%.
Acceptable range. Log it as passed.
Pre-processed durian shells now advance, ready for crushing and size reduction inside the recycling factory.
Powerful crushers begin breaking durian shells, transforming bulky waste into manageable, recyclable material. Balanced conveyor systems synchronize crushing and shredding, maintaining continuous durian shell processing efficiency. Automated flow management guides durian shell material accurately through complex recycling machinery networks. Durian shells emerge transformed, ready to advance into treatment and product-forming recycling stages.
Industrial dryers remove excess moisture, stabilizing durian shell material for advanced recycling processes.
Chemical treatments enhance durian shell material properties for specific industrial recycling applications. Quality sampling verifies treated durian shell material meets strict industrial recycling standards.
Treated durian shells now become stable feedstock, ready for manufacturing into finished, recycled products.
Durian shell material is pressed into usable products, transforming recycled feedstock into solid industrial forms.
Quality inspections ensure durian shell products maintain consistency, appearance, and reliable performance. Manufactured durian shell products now advance toward packaging, storage, and global distribution stages. Finished durian shell products enter packaging, preparing recycled materials for safe storage and transportation.
Barcode tracking updates inventory instantly, maintaining accurate records of durian shell product stock.
Inventory systems manage durian shell stock intelligently, optimizing storage rotation and order readiness.
This count is off by 25 units.
The system updated this morning. Let's double check the neighboring pallet.
Packaged durian shell products now await shipment, completing factory preparation for global distribution.
Durian shell products move from storage to loading docks, beginning their journey beyond the factory.
Export documentation ensures durian shell products comply with global trade and sustainability standards.
Sustainability reporting
demonstrates measurable environmental gains achieved through durian shell recycling operations.
From farm waste to global products, durian shell recycling completes a powerful circular economy journey.